This is the Cablematters 20 gigabits per second USBC switch. I got this off Amazon, and my goal was to switch between my monitor and my X-Real glasses. Now I have the One Pros, and but I guess looking at this diagram, it shows that you can connect one monitor to two different devices. I am not sure if you can do two monitors to one device. I suppose it's possible, but somebody on Reddit was asking if there's KVM out there. And this is a USB-C KVM. And I can report that it does work. I have my Steam Deck right here. This is just an OG Steam Deck. And this is a mini PC. This is running Bazzite. It's like sort of like the Steam Deck. It's very similar, looks exactly the same, but it's not the same. It's not official Steam Deck. It's a Linux immutable distro, meaning like you can't really mess it up, kind of like how the Steam Deck is. So very similar. They're both Linux, and they both work with this. You can kind of see in my glasses. I can kind of see here. I'm not going to do a vertical video. You'll be able to see better if I do a vertical, but you can see, I do have that signal in there. I'll keep it horizontal just for the purposes of this video. You can see I pressed the other button. My Steam Deck came alive because it switched to my Bazzite box, and you can see the X-Real logo there. It's just kind of waiting, and then it'll switch over to the Bazzite OS that's inside of there. And yep, it's there. So you can kind of see reused gloves, Street Fighter right there. And I also have Street Fighter on this one. But it's switching perfectly between Linux. I still have to test it with Windows. I do have two EMSID MIDI boxes. This one's Bazzite, this one's Windows. For some reason, I can't get Windows to switch on this properly. So I'm going to have to figure out if it is a USB power thing, or if I can actually switch, like, for example, like an HDMI console converted to USB-C with each other, or with my AC adapter powered mini PC. So I'll have to figure that out, but more testing to do. Again, this is the Linux test, Bazzite versus SteamOS. Can switch between both of them using this Cablematters. Look at the note here, though. This is important. USB-C port near the pigtail, this guy right here, doesn't charge the host. Use a 5-volt charger, not included if the host can't power the switch. So I do have this switch powered, and it's powered by this Basis connection. Another warning here is please use only the enclosed USB 4 cable with this product to ensure proper functionality, which is what I'm doing. So everything seems to work okay with the provided cables. Again, there are USB 4 cables out there that will work perfectly fine, but I am using the included cables there. So another thing, again, that goes to power the KVM switch. This little dongle is permanently attached to this, and it is connected to this USB 4 female to female coupler, and it connects two male dongle or two male connections. So this is the X-Real, and this is not the X-Real. This is the KVM cable that you see here going to KVM box, and this is going to the X-Real adapter. And you need this because you need to power the X-Real ones. You cannot power through this 5-volt that's powering the switch. It's not passing it through, so you need to have this X-Real adapter to power the X-Real glasses. And so I have this also powered, and this is the X-Real glasses, and it is working. It is switching between Steam Deck and Bazzite on my EM70 mini PC. So that is pretty much it. And again, I got this off Amazon. If you're interested in it, it's Cablematters 20 gigabits per second USB-C switch. I will be experimenting again with Windows USB powered, and also Windows AC powered, and also the consoles as well. So I'll make another clip on that and see if it works. Again, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with Windows. Doesn't seem to be like switching to Windows. So, but Linux seems to be okay. And I'll probably also test Switch and Android and then I'll make another video on that. Stay tuned.